Hello guys, welcome to another English activity. Today I have the activity of Proyecto Interdisciplinario number 1 for 10th grade. Today I have opened my document, and you will find a document like this in your WhatsApp group. On page 13, 14 and 15 we can find the English activity. Let's get started. A diet for everyone. A healthy diet for everyone. Healthy comes from the word saludable in Spanish. And everyone, you and me, needs to be healthy. Look at the two paragraphs, number 1, number 2. Describe the two meals. Which meal do you think is healthier? Why? So let's start describing. What do you see in picture number 1? What do you see here? Picture number 1, I see hamburgers. So you start describing here. I see pizza. Describe it. So you can describe with everything that you can find here, right? Picture number 1. Picture number 2, you describe here. What do you see here in this picture? I can see tomato. I can see water. So you describe everything that you see here, right? So you have described number 1 and number 2. From the pictures above, 1 and 2, which meal do you think is healthier? Remember the word healthier? Saludable. And which one is? Number 1 and number 2. And why? So here you explain, I think picture number 1 or picture number 2 is healthier because, and you explain in your own words, use your English dictionary word reference if you need it. Puedes usar aquí un diccionario para explicar tus propias palabras y completas con tu opinión, ¿no? Which one is healthier? 1 or 2? And why? ¿Y por qué? Number 2, fill in the chart. What food do you think is healthy and what food is not? So, according to your own experience, y aquí sí va a poner acorde su propia experiencia, which is healthier and which one is not healthy. For example, one of example, watermelon, sandia. Watermelon for me is healthy. So I write here watermelon. Which one? What is watermelon? Let's find here. Watermelon. For me, in my opinion, watermelon is healthy. So I write watermelon here. Let's see. Hamburger, for me, in my opinion, en mi opinión, hamburger is not healthy. Hamburger. So I write the word hamburger here because I think hamburger is not healthy. So I write here the word healthy. So you continue with your own examples. Ahí luego entonces usan sus propios ejemplos, ¿no? Vamos a leer ahora nuestro reading. Everyone knows that we must eat food in order to live. Of course, necesitamos comer para sobrevivir. However, sometimes people are confused about what type of food is healthy and what kind of food can be harmful to our health. Harmful es un adjetivo que significa peligroso for our health, peligroso para nuestra salud. The USA has prepared a food guide to help people learn about which type of food are the healthiest to eat. Es una guía que se ha preparado para entender cuáles son saludables y cuáles no. The food guide describes six basic groups of food. Ajá, 6 grupos de comidas básicas, ¿no? Meat, beef, fish, chicken, etc. And what is beef? Let's find here what the word beef means. Beef is something like this, right? This is the first group. Group number 2, dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese, etc. Let's find what cheese is in English. Cheese, this is this belongs to the second group. Oh, this is cheese. So the second group is called dairy. The first group is called meat. Group number 3, grains. Grains. And what are grains? Let's find in our Google Internet. Grains. Grains. Grains are related to everything that is like this, right? These are grains in English. Grains, bread, cereal, rice, etc. 4 and 5, fruits and vegetables. Of course, you know fruits, watermelons, melons, apples, vegetables, onions, garlic, etc. And the last group is fats, oil, and sweets. What is fat? Let's find here in our internet. Fat, fat, fat food. Fat food here. Yes, everything related to snacks are fat food. Fried chicken, fried wings, and hamburgers. Everything like this are considered fats. And these, of course, according to some studies, are not healthy. Y estos que están aquí, obviamente, no son saludables según los estudios, ¿no? The USA also suggests how much of each food group is healthy to eat daily. Although this guide was prepared by the USA government, and it is very useful for people to raise awareness. Es muy usual para que la gente, es muy útil para que la gente levante conciencia, que entienda, ¿no? Esta parte importantísima también menciona de que no solamente que tiene que ser saludable, sino que hay que saber dividir las porciones también, ¿no? Continuamos. Activity number 2, sorry. Activity number 2. And here, according to the paragraphs, according to the passage, acorde a lo que hemos leído, the food guide describes 5 basic food groups, 5 or 6. Which is your answer? So, 5 is true or 5 is false? Here is your answer. True or false? The next one. People is aware about what type of food is healthy. People is aware. No creo totalmente porque aquí menciona que es muy usual para que la gente tome conciencia. Significa que la gente aún no está entendiendo esta tabla o esta lista, esta guía en su totalidad, ¿no? So, for me, this is not totally true because there are some people that are not conscious about what they are eating. What last group is grains? The last group is grains. The last group, here we have the answer. The last group is true or false. So your answer is here, right? Veamos algo importante que pasó durante nuestra lectura. Los que están con rojo siguen una secuencia. Sigue una secuencia de adjetivo, el verbo be, un adjetivo, y luego viene un verbo en infinitivo. Aquí tengo un ejemplo más real. Are the healthiest to eat. El verbo be, are, el adjetivo de healthiest, y el verbo en infinitivo, to eat. No digo eating con ing, no digo eat, sino to eat. Eso es un infinitivo. ¿Y a qué se debe esta regla? Se debe a que el verbo be, cuando se aumenta un adjetivo y un infinitivo, habla de many of them describe a person attitude. Habla la actitud, describe la actitud de una persona. Toward feelings about something. Hacia los sentimientos de algo. Es decir, una opinión acerca de algo usando un adjetivo, ¿no? Por ejemplo, I am happy, ahí está el adjetivo, ahí está el verbo be. I am happy to see, ahí está el verbo. To see you, estoy feliz de verte. Entonces ahí estamos mencionando que el verbo be, el adjetivo y el verbo en infinitivo nos ayuda para mencionar una opinión personal acerca de algo, ¿no? So the next exercise is to complete this by linking. Aquí vamos a unir, ¿no? Example, the fridge is heavy. La refrigeradora está pesada. To do exercises in the park, ¿tiene sentido? To eat salad, to carry for only one person, para cargarla por una sola persona, to drink, to walk in the morning. So I think to carry for only one person is the correct one. So I connect this one with the first one here. Las conecto, ¿ya? Esa es la actividad. So the activity is already done. It's easy. La actividad es fácil. So see you in another English activity. Goodbye. Thank you.